Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make low-fat coleslaw step by step. Start by rinsing and drying all vegetables, then core and thinly shred cabbage and carrots, slice scallions, and measure dressing ingredients. Lightly salt shredded cabbage and let it rest for 10 minutes, then squeeze excess water. Combine yogurt, a small amount of light mayo, vinegar, mustard, and a pinch of sugar. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Combine low-fat yogurt, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, honey, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to create a bright, tangy dressing. Add 1 tablespoon of light mayonnaise to improve texture while keeping fat low. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and black pepper, remembering that chilled salads need a little extra flavor. Whisk until smooth, then refrigerate the dressing for 10 minutes so flavors meld before tossing with the shredded vegetables. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like the video to support more healthy recipe content. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which I use during long prep sessions, and it keeps me moving. Check the description for the product link and other deals that can help your kitchen routine. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Gently fold the chilled dressing into the shredded vegetables, coating evenly without crushing the cabbage to keep a crisp texture. Transfer the coleslaw to a covered bowl and chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors marry and the dressing thickens slightly. Before serving, taste and adjust with a splash of lemon or a pinch of salt if needed. Present the coleslaw cold alongside sandwiches, grilled proteins, or as a refreshing picnic side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.